The Ineos Grenadier didn't look tough enough, so CTC fixed that. The Chelsea Truck Company's styling modifications were inspired by similar widebody kits available for the classic Defender. The Ineos Grenadier Series 2 Expedition is the latest modified version of the off-roader. Features include a custom bodykit, larger wheels, and buckets upholstered in Nappa leather. The prototype built by the Chelsea Truck Company is listed for £93,999.99, $122,123. Ineos may have rolled out an extensive customization program for the Grenadier, but that's hardly going to deter the tuning crowd from working their magic. Enter the Chelsea Truck Company, which has taken a fresh pass at the off-roader, decking it out with a bespoke body kit that looks like it could withstand a battlefield, plus a reimagined interior featuring Nappa leather upholstery. The Ineos Grenadier Series 2 Expedition was inspired by the tuner's widebody Land Rover Defenders. The exterior modifications are designed by Cohn, featuring a 3D military textured matte black finish that sets them apart from the rest of the cream-colored bodywork, together with exposed carbon fiber components. The Grenadier received bolt-on fender extensions, a new grille, a bulged hood with integrated LEDs, redesigned front and rear bumpers with larger intakes, a roof spoiler, and electronically retractable side steps with illumination. The SUV rides on matte black 20-inch RS forged deep concave wheels shod in 37-inch all-terrain tires. These are combined with a 30mm, 1.2 inches suspension lift, further increasing the ground clearance of the Grenadier. Under the hood lies the stock BMW-sourced 3.0-liter straight-six gasoline engine producing 282 horsepower, 210 kilowatts/286 PS, and 450 Nm, 332 lb-ft of torque. The cabin is bathed in vermilion red Nappa leather upholstery, including the new pair of sport seats at the front and the rear bench. Unlike Mansory, who covers everything in bright shades, the Chelsea Truck Company left the dashboard and the roofliner untouched. The pictured example based on a 2023 Ineos Grenadier is currently listed for sale for a cool £93,999.99, $122,123, with 700 miles, 1,127 kilometers on the clock. According to Chelsea Truck Company, the prototype marks the beginning of fully in-house, custom conversion programs for the Ineos Grenadier, inviting owners to benefit from its services. This isn't Chelsea's first dance with the Grenadier either. A few months back, the British firm unveiled another custom Grenadier with 35-inch wheels, fender extensions, a unique grille, a snorkel, and an interior draped in rich brown leather.